They say love like this.
As I look at my daughter, I can't help but reflect on the years I was lucky enough to watch her grow and become a beautiful woman, both inside and out. She captured my heart the day she was born. She's my little girl, my princess, my ray of sunshine. No matter what her age, she will always be those things to me. But today, I watch her marry a wonderful man, a man that has become like another son to me.
You are the best thing that ever happened to me. When you hold me, I know that I have everything. It's blue skies and big dreams, a billion places to explore. And I will be with you forever. Forever I am yours. Time is now to go where we want to. Follow the road until it leads us somewhere new. Nothing can stop us now when we're together.
We add another part to our family, and she's a new love of my life. And I'm so glad you're here with us. And you know how much I love you.
You are the best thing that ever happened to me. When you hold me, I know that I have everything. It's blue skies, big dreams, a billion places to explore. And I will be with you forever. Forever I am yours.
May the two of you always treat each other with love, compassion, and kindness.
You have found the love that sets me free.